How to change bank account on DoorDash. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your bank account on DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your bank account on DoorDash, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead, make sure to launch the DoorDash application that you can find here, and then just make sure that you are basically signed into the account. Once you're signed into the account, you're going to see this type of interface on the app, and to change your bank account you first of all want to come to the account page by tapping the account option from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you come to the account page, at the very top you'll find this option known as payment methods. You want to simply go to payment methods option here, and as you go to the payment method option on the next page, you'll be able to see all of the bank account, the credit or debit card that you've added. If you'd like to change it, just select the one of the first of all and then remove them, and after that you can simply choose to enter the debit or credit card of your bank in order to link a new bank account or a new card in this case. And this way you can go ahead and then basically change your bank account on DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.